you take me home and give me wings to fly. We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world.
I purchased this from Hearst Life first. This is the Coco handle, mini in beige with like gold hardware. Here is the price. This is 20p season. I usually don't like Chevron patterns for some reason, but this bag is just so gorgeous. The color, and then with the light gold hardware, it's just perfect. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.